Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I just took delivery of this new 2024 Elantra N, Hyundai Elantra N, and I'm gonna be going over the spec of the vehicle today. So I chose a DCT Nardo Gray Elantra N. Literally just took delivery of it yesterday. So looking pretty good, a lot of gloss black trims, and this is the new wheels that they have for 2024. With red brake calipers, and as you can see, the front fascia is completely updated. It's different. Personally, I prefer this new look. Looks more mature, and also you have the black badge now. You also have gloss black mirror, and every trim is gloss black, including the rear spoiler. Personally, I would prefer the N-line rear looks, just because I'm not a big fan of rear spoiler, especially on like a sport economy car. I would still prefer just maybe like a duck lip on the N-line. I'll go ahead and unlock the car and talk about the interior. So for interior, we have some suede on the door panel. It's pretty much standard, and this is like the highlight of the interior. The seats are really nice. If you guys seen my E92 M3 videos, you'll know that my M3 has an aftermarket OMP reclinable seats, and I'll say these even feels better than the aftermarket OMP seats. Definitely my favorite. Other than that, interior looks decent. Design wise, I do really like it. You know, everything faces the driver. Right, the screen faces driver. You have a passenger handle right here. Only thing is, in terms of material, it's not as good as my E92 M3, of course, or my Tesla Model 3. These are rubberized plastic, and then yeah, it's all right. Definitely decent for a 36K brand new car. Pretty good, pretty decent. And we also have the moonroof with the DCT model. Back seat are surprisingly spacious. Let me go to the back. So the front seat has been adjusted to my ideal driving position, and I am 6'2", so, and you can see my feet fits perfectly fine. I'm sitting pretty comfortably, and I have around, say, two finger of legroom, which is not ideal, but for this, you know, small or subcompact tier, it's pretty spacious. Definitely more spacious compared to my Tesla Model 3. I'm definitely like, I can't even sit back in the back seat if I adjust my driver position to my personal driving position. Like, I definitely can't fit. Yeah, overall, the back seat, surprisingly, the backside of these front seats are padded. Like, they actually feel pretty nice. I thought they would be like hard plastic, but actually, like, there's some give to it. Pretty decent. Unfortunately, no center armrests for the back passengers, which is a bummer, but I don't think there's gonna be I'm gonna take a lot of people in the rear anyways. Yeah, overall pretty good. You still have the suede door panels at the back, decent. and so far really liking it. After around a day, still pretty good. And yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more Elantra N videos. I'm planning to release a driving POV video without any talking, and then another one with some talking, comparison between the Elantra N and my E92 M3 and my Model 3. So yeah, thank you guys for walking. One last walk around. Thanks. Have a great day, guys.